Hey guys, Metal Viking 82 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Relapse Records grab bag. Normally I'm not big on grab bags because I'm always afraid that I'm going to get a ton of stuff that I already have, and it's going to be a complete waste of my money. But the resident king of grab bags here on YouTube, Classy Metal, posted on Facebook that Relapse Records was doing a 30 CDs for $30, which, you know, after shipping and tax came out to about $40, but still, if my math is correct, that's only about 75 cents a CD, so that's still not too bad at all. But I thought, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna try it. And there's quite a few things on here on their site that I actually am hoping is in here, because something I've started doing is I started going to record labels' Bandcamp pages and started listening to albums that kind of piqued my interest. And there was a couple on there that I really wanted to hopefully get in this, and really quick, playing in the background if you can hear it, Doomed Dark Years by a Stark, really awesome, all-female, black metal from Greece. And let me tell you, I've been gone all day and this thing arrived just before I left, so I've had to wait all fucking day to open this, so I am very anxious to tear into this. And it was funny because my mailman, when he got ready to hand it to me, he goes, "This must be heavy metal because this thing is heavy," and this thing does weigh a fucking ton. I cannot believe how heavy this feels. Be very careful here. We'll raise this. And here we are. Let's see what we got. Holy schmoly, there's all kinds of stuff in here. My invoice. Alright. Right off the bat, we have Devourment, Conceived in Sewage. Really awesome, brutal death metal. Definitely a really good album. This is Horseback with Dead Ringers. Never heard them, so yeah, definitely be checking that out. Enter Arma, Paradise Gallows. This is a band that I've heard about, but I don't believe I've ever heard anything from them, so this would be kind of cool to check out. I really dig the artwork, that's for sure. Oh, sweet. Gadget, the Great Destroyer. Fucking love Gadget. So it's really cool to get another release from them. Let's get that turned around here. There we go. That's the proper side. Ah, 16 Lifespan of a Moth. This is a band that I remember a guy in a store I was in one time was actually talking about this band, and I had never heard them before, and kind of read up on them a little bit at the time, but I completely forget what style they play. But I'll definitely give this a fair share. So as you see, I'm starting to notice a lot of these have the hole punch and the barcode, but you know, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. This is this is one I was hoping I would get, because I saw this and I hadn't listened to it, but I saw it on the Bandcamp and it looked interesting. This is Lycus with Chasm. Really cool artwork there. Got Cough with Still They Pray. This is another one that I actually own. Pretty decent kind of doom. You know, sludge. Oh, I have this one. Fucking great album. This is Apology by Weekend Nachos. Awesome, awesome stuff. I actually got the t-shirt of this not that long ago. And it's definitely become one of my favorite t-shirts to wear. This is True Widow with Avantgarde. Know nothing about this band either, so yeah, another one that definitely looking forward to checking out. Some pretty cool artwork on there. Obscurus Advocum, Verbia Daemonicus. I actually picked this up in a blind buy at a Half Price Books one time. I think I only paid like $1 for it. So yeah, really cool black metal. Oh, nice. This is Brian Posehn live in Nerd Rage. This guy is fucking awesome. Really cool to finally actually have something of his. Metal by Numbers, that's a good one. Yeah, definitely looking forward to giving this a listen. Let's see, this is Zoroaster. I've heard this band's name before, but I cannot say I've ever heard them before. So yeah, a lot of stuff I haven't heard, and I've only gotten a few duplicates so far, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I've heard of this band. I've been wanting to check them out. This is The Ruins of Beverus, Unlock the Shrine. I've actually heard a lot about this band, so really looking forward to that one. March into the Sea, Church of the Void Swimmer. Again, no fucking clue who they are, but definitely going to check this out. Do a little research on these when I'm done. Oh, another Zoroaster album. This is Dog Magic. Kind of a interesting looking cover there. Ugh, everything's falling over in the box. Hold on. Okay. Publicist UK, Forgive Yourself. Again, no fucking clue. Definitely some interesting looking artwork, that's for sure. Like I said, all these ones that I have no clue who they are. Had to definitely look them up when I'm done here. Ah, sweet. Tombs, All Empires Fall. This is a band I actually have heard before. So really cool to get another album from them. Yeah, some of these are still sealed, some of them aren't. Hope Drone, Cloak of Ash. Pretty interesting little cover there. Davey Allen and Joel Grimes. Side A, Davey Allen, Recycled 2, I don't know, Recycled 2. But it looks like a split EP with Joel Grimes and somebody else. I don't know. Huh. Definitely an interesting box so far. Goalers, South Mountain style. Oh, this is cool. This is a Nil. And I believe this is just the self-titled. And this is another one that I picked up at a Half Price Books one time in a total blind buy. Really cool black metal with Neil from Krieg in it. It's kind of one of his other projects. This is Exalted, We Are the Grim Throng. This was put out, got a few Battle Command releases here, so. Okay. Gloria Diaboli, Gate to Sheol. Like definitely some black metal. Yeah, Punishing Orthodox Satanic Black Metal from Canada. That ought to be interesting. Okay. Oh, sweet. Got the Zaster and Leviathan split. I'm glad that they sent this to me because I actually have this, but for some reason my copy, I think there was like must be a little tiny scratch or something towards the end of the disc, and it kind of skips a little. So I'm really glad to get a replacement of that. Another Hooded Menace album, Darkness Drips Forth. This is my second one from them. Really fucking cool. I love Hooded Menace. I just haven't gotten around to really picking up too many of their albums, so yeah. That's cool. Christian Mistress, To Your Death. Another band that I've heard the name before, but never heard. This is Horror Blast, Sublime Vile Anomalies. Definitely some brutal death metal, just judging by the name and the cover and just everything about it just screams brutal death metal. Alright, down to the last three here. Box is empty now. Sweet. Opprobrium, Serpent Temptation. I do not believe I have the CD of this. I do have the vinyl. So yeah, now it's cool to have that on CD. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one. I've got like their second release stuff. Oh, cool. My first, I just saw what the last one was, and I was really hoping that was in there. But yeah, I got my first Dillinger album. This is Ironworks. I've been contemplating checking out Dillinger Escape Plan for a while now, and now I actually can, so really cool. This is one that I was really hoping was going to be in this box, because I remember when I heard about this band when they first came out, I kind of put them off because of, I heard they were sludge metal, and I was just like, because I'm not big into that style. I like a little bit of it, but it's not something that I'm like super deep into, and I really love their name. And after I placed my order for this box, I decided to, like I said, I went on the Relapse Records Bandcamp, started checking out some stuff, and this is one of the first ones I checked out, and it turned out to be really fucking good. This is Graves at Sea, The Curse That Is. Really cool artwork. And I really dug the vocals. They're totally different than what I am used to hearing when it comes to sludge, and even some of the, like, the higher vocals actually have a more black metal-esque feel to them, which is kind of cool. So yeah, definitely pleased with this grab bag. Like I said, I don't do these very often, but I couldn't resist, 30 CDs for $30, and got a lot of shit in here that I've never heard before. Only a couple duplicates, which is nice. And like I said, those duplicates will probably end up going to my nephew, because I think he'll probably want dibs on those, and then I'm going to have to go through all this and see what I like, see what I don't, and then after that I'll figure out what I'm going to do with it. So yeah, that's going to do it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and until next time, stay brutal.